Just to further illustrate how much of a hack Wranglerstar is, here's another video where I went back to the comment that I made that he responded on that channel. So I just responded back to him because actually I unsubbed that channel because it just was nothing I was interested in. And he talks about watching my videos on cast iron. I've never done a video on cast iron. I refinish cast iron, and I do it very well. I have people from out of state bring me their cast iron to be redone. I have 4 pieces in my oven now, being seasoned for a lady that will be delivered on Monday. But Wranglerstar is a hack, and he lies. He never subbed me, because if he did, he would have told me he did, like Keeping It Dutch did. Keeping It Dutch even commented on a video. Wranglerstar never commented on a video. If you sub someone, eventually you will comment on a video. Of all of them that I've done, his name has never shown up until now. He is a hack. I did nothing to deserve what he did whenever he accused me of being biblically wrong. The man has no sense of morality. With almost 1.5 million subs, the best thing he could have done was to shut his mouth and say nothing and move on with his day. But he didn't. Wranglerstar, I will resub you, and I will watch you, and I will call out every mistake you make. Because unlike you, I come from the land of Doc Holliday. I come from Georgia, and we don't forget, and we make sure everyone knows the truth. You have a wonderful day.